This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the load and settings immediately. First, sort by fabric and color, then remove every coin and receipt so nothing jams the drum. Next, measure detergent accurately. Use 1/2 scoop for small loads and the manufacturer amount for larger ones. This protects sensors. Once done, open the detergent dispenser, add detergent to the correct chamber, select the wash program that matches fabric type, and press start. You'll see the display confirm time left and door lock engage. Now the machine handles the cycle automatically. You monitor the cycle without hovering, watching the display for imbalance warnings or error codes. If clothes clump, pause and redistribute them evenly to prevent vibration. Throw in towels to balance a tiny load. Adjust spin speed between 400 and 1,200 RPM depending on fabric. Lower speeds reduce wear. Use extra rinse for allergies or heavy soils and select per wash when items are very dirty. Once adjusted, resume the cycle. These steps maintain efficiency and extend the machine's life while protecting your garments. You complete the process by unloading immediately to prevent mildew and wrinkles. Shake items out and hang or tumble dry as recommended. Then wipe the door seal and detergent drawer to remove residue, and leave the door slightly ajar so the drum dries. Check and clean the drain filter monthly to prevent clogs. If something goes wrong, consult the error code on the display, power cycle the machine, and rerun the cycle. If the error persists, follow the manufacturer's service guidance. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.